welcome back to my channel. It's Christy Monina. Now guys, we are here in the airport. We're back in the Philippines guys. So my connecting is to Dubai guys. So it's crazy. So just walking. I'm going to the boarding gate. I will check. I will looking the information.
58. 58. Ang kalapit lang kami. Ito, 48A. Siya magkakabay niya.
So they're happy guys because we go back in Philippines, but they are so good. So it's here.
Inaga muna, walang ano. Eh, kapag ako po kami nag-safety first. Hindi ka na agad ng safety. May timer. Pangalimang na talaga. May timer. Nung nag-ito yung cellphone ko, baba na sa akin ng araw ko. Ako minsan ganyan rin. Lagay ng lagay, wow. Tapos tumayot tak. Takat.
Regulations of the General Authority of Civil Aviation requires passengers to comply with lighted signs, crew members' instructions, and the following safety demonstration. Please make sure that your baggage is securely stowed in the overhead compartment, and small items, including handbags, any portable electronic devices such as mobile phones, tablets, and laptops should be in flight mode, and the use of wireless devices and remotely controlled devices is strictly prohibited throughout the flight. To use any other portable electronic devices, please inform one of the flight attendants. Dear guests, the text you are about to hear is a supplication.
So we're going to Dubai guys. My flight is connecting. Hello. in Dubai. Dubai. Uy, sige mo lang tag akyat-akyat sa mga hagdanan.
Kukuha pa tayo ng boarding pass.
Oo. Maunaw na sila. Ay, sakit ko. Tapos ang dami. So, let's get. So, a lot of Filipino here. We're back in Philippines. So, they are fun. They are funny. So, Dubai. A lot of OFW go back in Philippines. So now we are here. A lot of Filipino. OFW life.
O kasi Hungary, kilo lang nila yung luggage.
Mm.
Pero kapag nakita nila, kaya mo naman
Backpack.
yung backpack mo.
Ah, okay lang. Hi, going to
Hello!
I-upload ko yun sa YouTube
Ako,
ko.
mamaya ko pa ano. Bukas pa pala.
Hey.
Hindi po pwedeng.
We going to the airplane. Airlines. Airlines, guys. Airlines, guys. Airline, guys. Ha ha ha. Oh, ha ha ha. Welcome, Philippines. Welcome. A lot of OFW. Ang lagi sa airlines.
Kasi parang ano ata yan, tatlong hindi kaya kanina, dalawa lang.
Okay na. Uy, oo. Ang ano, nakuha na siya. Uy, tingnan mo yung ano ba ko. Uy.
There is implementation of control measures against pathogens if you are bringing in meat or meat products, including fresh, processed, semi-processed, cured, and cooked meat. There
So, we are here in Philippines. Ah, nag-vlog na naman. Parang mayroong income. Manila. Uwi na ako sa Manila eh. Hi. Excited. Naam. B, mag-ano pa mi sa mga ano ha? Mga sa mga ano, mga kaibigan. Oh. So excited. A lot of Filipino OFW guys. So excited. They meet their family. Just walking. I'm so happy now we are here. So happy and excited.
hours.
So, I'm waiting the luggage.
Tao na lumabas eh.
Ah, TV pala.
Yan ba? Hindi pa dito. Tema yun.
So, that one guys. A lot of people there in the OWA for the overseas workers. So, we are here. I'm waiting because we have servers for overseas. I need to stay in hotel guys. I did not know how many days in the hotel, so I'm so happy that I came here, the OWA office. So we will see guys. I'm staying in the hotel. We will see if when I go home, I don't know guys. So we are here. So I got food from the OWA guys for my lunch time. That's when the free for OWA. So I'm still waiting here because a lot. You can to charge. Opo. I-ano ko lang. Ano ba yan? Opo, sorry po.
Kainan na.
Oo, tapos busog ako.
Kainan na ng mga distress. Hoy, makain ka, distress ka.
Here, we're going to connection flight. Nagano ko, nag-vlog. So just walking because the Dubai airport is big, so it's walking around. It's walking around. I'm crazy. I'm always crazy, guys. We are here. I'm done to change my money first. It's a low price on this, so that's when I'm wrong. Why did I change there in the Saudi Arabia? So it's just okay. I'm fine. So we are here.